Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to our tutorial on how to draw a simple house step by step. Let's get started. Begin by drawing a rectangle for the main body of the house. This will serve as the foundation. Next, add a triangle on the top of the rectangle to form the roof of the house. Now draw a smaller rectangle at the bottom center of the house for the door. Add windows on either side of the door by drawing rectangle with smaller rectangle inside 4 panes. Draw a chimney on one side of the roof by sketching a rectangle with a smaller rectangle on the top. Add details like brick on the chimney, a doorknob and lines for the roof tiles to bring your drawing to life. Now erase any unnecessary lines and refine the shapes to make the house look neater. Finally, add some grass or a pathway in front of the house for extra details and depth. And there you have it. You have successfully drawn a simple house step by step. We hope you enjoyed this video. Happy drawing. Remember to take your time and practice each step carefully. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please give a like to this video. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.